Welcome to Jurgen's Journeys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hello, YouTubers. Hey, today I've got a treat for you. I'm going to do a review on this Flagstaff Microlite. It's a 2023 model, and this particular unit is the 22FBS. 22FBS Flagstaff Microlite. So come on, let's take a look at it. As we begin our tour of this Flagstaff 22FBS, you might want to pause the spec sheet to study the sizes and capacities. Now, this good-looking trailer is offered in either white or champagne laminated fiberglass sidewalls. The molded front cap includes a beautiful tinted automotive windshield, highlighted with this slick LED accent strip, and down below is diamond-plated rock guard, and poised on the front are two 30-pound propane gas cylinders, along with a power tongue jack and an extra-large battery box to hold your optional 400 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. As we look here up underneath, we'll see another option, the power stabilizer jacks. Now, there's the control button for that. Here up front is the solar on the side power outlet for some exterior solar panels. Now, unfortunately, the drop frame pass-through storage compartment is locked with a key-to-like lock, so you don't have to carry extra keys for the entrance and the storage compartments. Let's take a look at these nice tinted frameless windows and the long 15-foot power awning with an LED light strip underneath. Now, you can also notice the outside speakers, the hood vent exhaust, and the bracket and hookups for an outside TV. Well, down here, now we can see Goodyear Endurance radials. They're nitrogen filled with tire pressure monitoring system and alloy wheels. Now on the back side, you can see the stout ladder and the rear observation camera prep. There's an outside shower. There is a 2-inch receiver, so you can put a bike rack and all kinds of accessories on the back there. As we go around to the other side, you'll notice connections for cable and satellite hookups, black tank flush, city water connection, and antifreeze inlet for easy winterization. Now below that is a 30-amp power connection, and on down are the gray and black tank dump valves and the stinky slinky hookup. You can also see that the dump valves are not enclosed in the underbelly, so don't let that baby freeze. I don't think it's meant for winter camping. Now, I don't have a good shot of suspension on this dual axle trailer, but I am told that it has a torsion axle rubber suspension, rubber ride suspension, whatever that means, but it doesn't have leaf springs. So leave me a comment if you know something about that. I'm not an RV dealer or an RV pro. I'm just a camper like most of you. There's a peek at the underneath slide, and that right there is the quick recovery water heater. I do like the slide. It has 3 windows and allows you to get a little bit of air across there while you're sitting inside. And then I also like this topper that keeps the leaves and the junk off your slide roof, so you don't have to climb up there and clean it off every time you want to pull it in. So, of course, the downside is they do flap in the wind and they do wear out. I kind of like that green graphic. It's new, I think, on the 23 models. And there is the freshwater dump valve down there, and it's big enough to really get the job done, so you can dump that tank in a hurry. Now this switch right here is for docking lights, whatever those are. I think it's the accent light under the windshield that I showed you at the beginning. Yeah, there's where you fill your freshwater tank right there. Now, have I left anything out? Oh, yeah, here's the battery disconnect switch there in front, and a nice cord and chain holder. Let's jump up on the roof here a minute, and I'll show you what this walkable roof looks like with that antenna there in the foreground, and a solar panel, 200 watt in the background, 15,000 BTU air conditioner, and max air fan vent cover. Inside, you can pause this if you want to study the floor plan, but to go inside, we go up the solid entry, strut-assisted fold-out entry steps. Good and solid. Of course, there's always a big grab handle, too. And what I really like is this window on the door with a privacy shade right there. You can just pull down. So let's go inside. Now, don't you like that? That looks like a roomy place right there. So on your right here, as you step inside, is the control panel for all your electrical functions. And with the One Control app and the WeRV app, you can even control via Bluetooth all the things you want to run from your phone. So what do I think of next? I don't know. Now, these are pretty good cabinets. They're glued and screwed solid wood doors with the residential hardware. The microwave is a Magic Chef, and it has a lighted gray stone exhaust hood underneath. There's a little closer look at that. Not bad equipment. Let's take a peek at those sinks. That's pretty deep. I like that. And the cover. Fix your sandwiches and things if you need more counter space. I like that solid surface. There's kind of a drain cover for that sink. You can drain your dishes on that. And what's this over here? There's some kind of button. Let's see. Push that and it pops up. Oh, great. That's a power outlet for your small appliances right there. Now that's handy. Now, this is a Magic Chef gas oven and a 3-burner stove. It has a real nice flush glass cover. I think Sue would like that. Then over here is a little counter extension. Okay. And there's a little storage cabinet underneath the TV. Put your electronic equipment or DVDs or whatever in there. And oh, I love this. It's a fireplace to make this a cozy place to hang out after dark or when the weather isn't cooperating. All right, now there's a little closer look at that TV and stereo setup for the entertainment system. It pulls out, see, you can. It's on an articulating bracket there, so you can watch it from the bed. And the shades on this trailer are those real nice, easy roll-up shades. And a 60 by 80 queen bed, and just lots of windows. There's a USB plug right there and a light switch. So you can just reach down there and cut off some of these lights. I'm not sure exactly which ones those operate, but you've got 110 volt outlets on both sides of the bed. Over here there's a drawer, for a bedside drawer there with plenty of room in that. It's got a little bit of carpet on that slide floor there. Let's see how this theater seat extends. That's pretty comfy looking. I must say that the vinyl on that seat is pretty thin. That's one of the drawbacks I'm not real impressed with. But yeah, it's got more buttons. I don't know what that is. vibrator for your back or a heated seat. I'm not really not sure. But if you like buttons, it's got them. Now, oh, that's your thermostat, heat and air controls, and a deep pantry. Now, that thing will hold some groceries. I like that. And I don't know what this is down here. They've got it blocked off. I've got an idea that's access to plumbing or something important. They don't want you throwing junk in there, so they've kind of made a little access panel in there that you have to remove. But that's okay. There's a lot of storage in this thing. Oh, wait a minute. One more. I see another storage cabinet. Lighting's terrible because the power's off. But yeah, there's a hanger up top, and then you've got these shelves. But those will come out. You can remove them if you want to hang up your coats and things like that. So, now this right here is the reason for the solar panel on the roof. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. And I'm not sure the size of it. I'm thinking 8 cubic feet. I don't really know for sure. But I know one thing, it's pretty deep in there. This is a nice refrigerator and freezer with plenty of room. Here's how you lock it when you're on the road traveling. You just flip that thing around and it locks those doors real safely. I like that, so they can't open up. But let me give you just one more look at the storage. Okay, I've opened everything up so you can get a good look at all the storage space in this trailer. It's quite impressive, I think, for a little couple's trailer like this. Oh, well, let me show you this. This one thing I don't like about this trailer is that those doors don't stay up. They just hinge. So you've got to hold them up if you're going to reach in there. And over the bed, of course, you've got wardrobe on both sides. Now, this is another thing on this trailer, that those struts don't hold that mattress up for some reason. Nowadays, there's putting these trailers out so fast, you're going to find a little something wrong with many of them. That's a couple of things I found on this. Those things don't stay up. But I do like the vent over the bed there. Get a little breeze going. If it's hot, it'll vent the heat. And of course, you've got that flush air conditioner that's ducted with these adjustable vents. I like that. And yeah, plenty of lights everywhere you look. There's good lighting. It's got that vaulted ceiling. That's kind of a neat light there in the slide. So let's check out that one thing y'all been waiting for. Yeah, let's see what the bathroom looks like. And here we go. Not too bad. It's fairly roomy in there. Love those shower doors. Aqua view. And it's got the water miser or shower miser faucet there, which circulates your hot water so that you don't lose your water when you're trying to get that shower to start running hot. It just dumps it back into the fresh tank, I guess, or the hot water heater. I don't know how it works, but it keeps the water running. Porcelain toilet, foot flush, and a little storage cabinet, and that's nice. They've got the plumbing and all blocked off right there, so you don't lose your stuff and get it tangled up in the wires and the plumbing. Yeah, hello, that's me. And a little bit of storage there in the medicine cabinet. Not too bad. Plenty of room overhead for taller humans. I'm not one of those, but that shower's plenty big for me. And there's that Max air fan that we all like so good. Yeah. So all in all, that's not a bad bathroom, and it's got plenty of storage in it for your towels and all your bathroom stuff. Great storage. Plus it's got a door over it. A lot of these cheaper trailers don't have doors on these cabinets. They just leave them open. And there's a switch for short humans. When kids come in, or you know, if you forget to reach up there and turn on that overhead light, you can reach it there. And it's got a residential faucet and another outlet. It's be a ground fault outlet right there next to the sink. And air conditioner up top, ducted air, AC, and down near the floor, but not in the floor, you've got your heat vent right there by the door, and it heats the bathroom. Then that's where the air goes into the furnace, and that's where it blows out into the bedroom right there. And I see another outlet. I've got outlets everywhere. I just love that. Just leave me a comment about all this, and tell me what you think, and what you like and what you don't like. Well, I appreciate you joining me for this little tour, and I hope you liked it. If you got something out of it, give me a thumbs up, and by all means leave me a comment. One thing I'd like to know is how you believe this compares with the Rockwood. I understand they're made in the same factory. They look a whole lot alike, and I can't tell you what the difference is, because I'm not a dealer. But maybe you know, maybe you've had some experience with the Flagstaff versus Rockwood series. So if you know the difference and can share about that, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. At any rate, thanks for watching, and may all your journeys be safe. May God bless you.